Hi guys, we're back on the LT. Yeah, it's been a bit while, mainly because I've been trying to do all the welding. Not like you can really see much, but yeah, I've been trying to do all the welding because nobody likes watching welding videos. It's fair enough. So I've done that all off screen. I have, just turn you around, I have seam sealed all the bits that are welded all the way down, all the way across here. So it's all seam sealed up now. Yeah, just need to use some of the wax oil underbody sealer just to make it look a lot better than what it is now. So yeah, we're slowly getting there. So yeah, I've got the boards up just there, just to stop it blowing over the next door and all over his car, because it won't be happy, as you can imagine. So yeah, let's start spraying. Right there guys, it's all waxed oil all the way down. I'm just going to go right at the back end, just where my foot is, just past the back wheels, but front end, well, driver's side is done. Just need to do, come on focus, the passenger side now. Yeah, for those who want to know, from there all the way down to the front of the back wheel, and sail all the way up, scattered a little bit across, one can. So I'd say 4 or 5 cans should do an entire LT long wheelbase. But yeah, I've only got 2, so one more to go. Just do the bits I can do. Right guys, it's all tarred up. I haven't done the chassis rail. I have a little bit all the way down there. Oop, all the way down there. Probably can't see it because it all looks rather dark now. But yeah, I've put it on thick. Yeah, just got to do from the axle back now, but I've run out. So I'll go and order some more and get underneath it again. Yay!
1 week later. One eternity later.
Hey guys, it's been a little while since I last worked on the van, and we started to do on the inside. I'll tell you about the outside in a bit. Right, the beds are somewhat done. I've took the kitchen bits out, they're just there. We're going to put the flooring in today. Some stuff from B&Q. Yeah, very expensive stuff. I will be filling these holes in, but I need to put it back in to work out the sink route and pipes and all that. Deal with that later. Yeah, the van is now MOT'd. Yay! Just need to tax it, but it's close to the end of the month, so it isn't worth it. So, like I say, we're going to put the flooring in today and try to get this thing sorted. Hallelujah, we're getting there. Right there guys, floor's in. Got a bit carried away and put the cupboards in. Should have shown you without the cupboards, but yeah, loosely put the oven in. Sink is cut in, but it's not fixed. Same as the posh taps. Not fixed thing just yet. Everything's loose. It's been a couple of days since I put the flooring in. I'm slowly working on all the electrics, the 240, 240, the charge controller and the inverter. We need a small inverter because we're not running a microwave, nothing big. I'd say a hairdryer at most. So yeah, we've got one double plug up there. Then the fridge is 12 volt and 240. It's also got the gas as well, but I'm not using the gas. It's also got the gas, so I'm not using the gas because I've never had much luck with them. So 240 and 12 volt. I've put its own little fuse switch thing here for the fridge, for the 240. I'm putting a fuse here as well. So just to prevent any incidences. Up here, as you can see, there's a yellow cable. Is the switch for the inverter. I'm having some USBs up here as well, so kids can charge the pads and phones and such like. The only thing I'm not sure about is having a plug down here, just a single plug. I'm not quite sure. But as for the fuses, that's going to be here. One's going to be for the fridge, and then for the lights, maybe one or two, because I'm putting lights in the beds. So we've got some, so if we're up, we can see what we're doing and all that, and mainly for the kids. So yeah, slowly getting there. Yeah. Actually, I'm doing a bit of a crap job recording this. Yeah, I've not been used to recording for a while, with me being ill. So yeah, anyway. Hi guys, bit of an update for you. We're on holiday in the van. Yay. Let's turn you around. Cooker's not plumbed up yet, but wife's not bothered. Sink's all done. It's in a used state. We've been here for a couple of days. The awning does not fit at all, but we've made it fit. And the awning doesn't fit, so I'll sort it out ready for when we come back. This is like the voyage of finding everything that's wrong with it. But yeah, I don't know what to say other than you got aerate. There is a few bangs and knocks and stuff like that going from the van. I think something's broke on the way here. I've got to have a look at that. But yeah, other than that, it's alright.
4 to 6 weeks later.
Hi there guys, it's been roughly 6 weeks later. The van performed pretty decently. The rattling was, we broke a rear spring. Great. So just to prevent all hassle, I just paid somebody to do it because we had another holiday the week after we came back off that one. So yeah, just paid somebody to do it. I didn't have time. So yeah, that was done. 700 quid later. And the only other problem we've had with it is keeps on going to limpo mode. Well, sort of. It goes into non-turbo mode basically. which is a pain in the bum because we're usually in Wales, and Wales has hills, so entertaining going down the road with that. But we have been doing it. As soon as you switch the ignition on, switch it back on, we've got turbo, about 10-15 minutes, something like that. Then it cuts off completely, but we still got power. If you know anything about them, please do tell me, because I'm going to pull my hair out. But yeah, done a bit of a crap job recording all this. So yeah, I'm bad at this. I'll turn you around now, just show you what we've done so far. So I've got the part for the cooker, so I can plumb that up next. We've got a cupboard door now. We've got a cupboard door, sort of cupboard door now. It's, you know, not quite done. I've got to put a worktop on here. This is literally a temporary one. I do want to put a plug down there. I've even got it somewhere. No idea where it is. All the electrics have been working brilliantly. We had one little hiccup. I think we overloaded it with the toaster. That was about it. Other than that, batteries have been perfect. Everything's been mint except for that little hiccup. And yeah, it's still in, you know, project mode state. You know, little bits like that, you know. But I do want to take that out and make a cupboard just to go up here, so called plates and cups and stuff like that. Haven't hung the TV yet. We have got a TV, but we've just been chucking it on the side. Need to get rid of all this paper and either paint it or put some more paper on. Same as get rid of all this. I have put all the electric stuff in here. That's our little Wi-Fi modem thing, and got these little cables about 30 centimeters long for all the USBs for the kids' iPads, so that's all fun there. And yeah, still haven't finished it. Like I say, I want to put a light just across the back here, and then there's one there that wants putting in. I do have the LEDs. Are all here. I've got to put a switch in, 3-gang switch. Up. Wait, there. And yeah, so yeah, as we all know, no project is ever finished, especially in my case. But upside to it is I am getting stuff done, slowly but very slowly. So yeah, at least this van's done. I need to buy some curtains for there because they only come to somewhere about there, so there's a bit of a gap. There's no curtain there. You could do with one. But yeah, there will be maybe 1 or 2 other videos on the LT, just to do little finishing bits, like the little plug up, the switch up there, and the curtains and stuff like that. I did find a answer for the awning. I have fixed it and it works. I'll let you guys know on the next one. Teaser. But yeah, it's done, sort of, and it's very expensive, but worth it. We knew it was going to be expensive the first go around, but now we got it, it's just a case of keeping it on the road and keeping it serviced and everything, which I'm going to keep on because I really don't want this thing to break. Yeah, we have named the LT 35 long wheelbase something a bit easier. We have named it Big Blue. But yeah, we've named it Big Blue because it's big and it's blue. So yeah, for all you guys that have recently subscribed. Well, we've had a lot, even though I've done nothing to the channel for over a year, which, you know, it's been quite depressing, but at least somebody's been watching it and following. I gratefully appreciate it. Believe it or not, it's helped me out no end, even though financially it hasn't. But like I say, mentally it has, which is a big thing for me. But yeah, there's been one guy that's been continuously commenting, and to you, the videos, thanks to you. But yeah, nobody likes to, you know, watch welding videos, so I've not really bothered with that side of it. So yeah, like I say, for all the new viewers and subscribers, thank you very much. And to the old ones, thank you for staying around. So yeah, I've got a video coming relatively soon, next couple of weeks, on the VW Golf Mark II. And once this van is fully done, I have no idea what I'm going to do with it other than use it. As for the Golf, I've got to use that myself for a little bit, just to make sure it's, you know, safe to be on the road and nothing's going to break. And then unfortunately I need to sell it, which I'm not going to be happy about, but it's got to happen. And then I might buy because it's me, buy some other piece of scrap and chuck obscene amounts of money at it. But yeah, I'll leave it there, guys, because I've been jabbering once again. Like I say, if you like this sort of thing, like, comment, subscribe, even though I don't do it very often, apparently. And thank you very much, guys. Yeah, just thank you very much. See you later, guys. Bye.